Good morning sa lahat, no? Today is October 31. This is the last day of the month. Good morning sa lahat, no? Yung nasa Pilipinas, it's already 12 noon. Kumusta po kayong lahat, no? So, ngayon, we'll check the PCI yesterday. Kung ano na po yung price action ni PCI. So now I will not use the indicator. I will use only the price actions based on the chart, and we will see what is the price action of PECI yesterday. Thank you for watching GC Rose Blanks, Gile TV, Lon Salabi. Thank you. So now we will go to the PCI chart. And by the way, I'm very thankful to the Instagram for their platform. It's a good platform for charting. So thank you very much for the Instagram. And now I will go to the PCI chart. So I will share to you the chart now. So this is the PCI chart, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So as we say here, the PCI is climbing starting October 19, no? And then he going up until October 26. But now he is retracing because in this area, it is the area overbought area, no? So as I said, we need to see if the price in an overbought condition, because there is a possibility that the price will go retracement, and not only by overbought, there is also a resistance on this area. Okay, we draw the resistance line. So this area is a resistance line. Okay, so now the price is it did not break the resistance area. So dalawang beses na po yan, nauntog yan, no? There's the first time, and this is the second time. So nauntog si PCI dyan. So now, we will draw the support below. So based on the price action, this area is the support area. Okay. And now, another support is around this area. Okay. So this is the area of possible support. But now we will see if PCI will going back in this area. Now we will draw a resistance line above. This area is another possible resistance area. Okay, so if we see the line here, so this is the PCI now. So, and there's another one here, minor resistant in this area. So now we will see PCI kung mag-bounce siya dito sa baba. Now he's trying, he is up by 1.19% yesterday. But this area now is become resistant. So pass, possible baka mauntog na naman si PCI dyan in this area. So hindi niya na-hold and there's a gap up last Thursday. And yesterday he is trying to up by 1.19%. And this one is the resistant area, this black horizontal line. So kung makaangat si PCI diyan on this area, here, this is good for PCI. But if not, we will see PCI to this support area below, this area. So we will see, no? Kung babalik ba si PCI diyan or dumiretso si PCI sa taas. Okay? So we will see. Kung hindi umauntog siya diyan, so this is a possible direction of PCI below the horizontal line, which is the support area. So but if ma-break na itong resistant line above, so there's a possibility that PCI will go back to this high, the previous resistance above. Okay? So this is the only way we need to see based on the price action. So we're hoping that PCI will break this resistance above. So today we will discuss about the companies. These companies is recommended. This is good fair value of the fair value of this company. Ay okay po yung fair value ng company na ito, no? So we need to see where's the price action of these companies. So there is EEI. We will see the EEI. Eagle. We will check Eagle also. Swiss Bank. We will check PNB. Metro Bank. DMC. UGI. MRSGI. SSI, no? Max. Mega World. FLI. Philinvest Land. VLL. And Globe and ECC, the Semirara. So now we'll start with the EEI. So EEI, if you see the price action of EEI, this is the incline support of EEI. So nandito rin siya sa may horizontal support and then malapit din siya sa incline support. So we'll expect EEI will bounce this support and then hit again this resistance above. But just in case we can extend this line, okay, we will extend this line. If just in case ma-break down itong incline support, so EEI possible direction is today's location, the horizontal line below, which is the support area. But if ever umakyat si EEI, if ever and then he going up to this location, and then mauntog na naman siya diyan. So there's a possible retracement. Okay, so this is the time we need to watch EI price action. Okay, kung mauntog siya diyan, babalik sa incline support, and then mag-bounce, and then hindi na ma-break itong resistant line above. So there's a tendency that EI will go down to this area, to this horizontal line, which is the support line. So we will see the price action of EI. Tingnan natin sa mga next days, no? The price action of EI, but we need to watch if there is a bounce in this support area. Kasi nandyan po siya sa may support area, and then he is also near the inclined support. So we need to see the next price action of PEI. But for me, in my own opinion, I can ride the EI here if it's bouncing in the inclined support. And then if ever the inclined support may breakdown, then I will go exit. So this is our analysis for EI. I hope there's a bounce in this area. If there's a bounce, this is the possible direction of EI Corporation. But take note, if the inclined support may breakdown, then you need to take action. If you have a position, so you can take your some of your profit. Okay? Kasi pupunta na naman siya ditong area, no? And we will see another price action kung ma-breakdown ni EI yung inclined support. So, but for now, we will watch EI in the support. There is a bounce. And possible direction, it will go up. There is a bounce going to the resistance area above. So next one is EW. It's which bank, banking corporation. Nandito na po siya sa may resistant area, no? So if ever Swiss Bank ay break na itong resistant line, there's a possibility that he will hit this line or resistant above this line. So will I speak he will hit this area if he break this resistant line. So we can draw a minor support. We will see this area. Okay, if East-West will stay in this area, so this is good for East-West. But in case East-West I might break down the horizontal support, East-West possible direction will go to this line again. So we need to watch EW. Okay, but if you buy it in the down, so this is the time we need to take some of the profit, but this is not time to enter EW. So we need EW to break. I mean, there is a breakout, and then we can ride it, and possible direction is this area. But if horizontal support and a breakdown, then this is the possible direction, the inclined support. So this is the two scenario for East-West Banking Corporation. Next one is PNB, the Philippine National Bank. This is the price action of PNB. Okay, tumaas siya, then nag-hit dito sa my resistant area. Tinatawag po natin diyang resistant kasi nauntog po yung presyo dyan. So this is the resistant area and this is also another resistant area. But when PNB ay nag-retrace, nag-hold po siya dito sa my area na ito, no? So this is the possible support. So this is the one we topic last other week, that the PNB will stay on this area. We can ride the PNB and we will go exit if the support is breakdown. So now PNB is continue going up last October 20. And then he is hitting again a resistance above. So we need to watch PNB if there is a bounce on this support, this line. This is the horizontal support. So we need to watch PNB if there's a bounce on this area. So if you draw a line for inclined line, you can draw the bottom, all the bottom, and then you can drop it, this one here. So this is the area we need to watch PNB. So if there is a bounce, the possible direction, it will go up again, this resistance above. But if ma-break niya, then we need to see another price action or price pattern for PNB. So we need to watch PNB on this support area. Next one is Metro Bank. Si Metro Bank ay tumataas, ano? Nung nakaraang mga first week of October. So when Metro Bank na break na itong resistance, so this is the support, and then the price going down, and then there is a rejection in this area. This is the resistance area. Kasi itong magiging support ay magiging resistance area. So may rejection po dito, and then last week of September, Metro Bank break this resistance above, and then he continue going up and then hitting again the resistance, no? Kasi ito po 1, 2, 3, this is the third time Metro Bank hit this resistance area. So may dalawang beses na po ditong area, so we need to anticipate that this area is strong resistance area. So now if you go up starting first week of October and then hitting again this resistance above. So now nauntog na naman siya dito. So there's a rejection again. So nag-down si Metro Bank. So we will see in this area what is the price action of Metro Bank. So for now we will wait if there is a bounce in this support area. This is the minor support area, but in case kung walang bounce dito, we'll expect Metro Bank will go to this area below. So he will going back to the support area. This is the major support of Metro Bank. But in case Metro Bank will stay here, we will see the price action if there is a bullish pattern. But for now, wait for confirmation pattern, or there is a confirmation candle na mag-bounce po siya dito sa may support. Ito, yung minor support. So we will see, no? But if mag-stay siya diyan, this is a good area for Metro Bank. So next one is DMC. DMC, DMCI holding. Kung tingnan natin yung price action ni DMCI holding, ditong area, nauntog po siya dito, then the price is going up. So it means this is the support area. So going back, then there's a minor bounce, and then the breakdown, and then he going up, and then nauntog po siya ng ilang linggo din, and then he break this resistance, this support. Uh, Take note na the support, when the price is going down, it will become resistant. But if the resistance I'm a break, and then there's a pullback to that area, it is become a support. So now na break niya dito, then he going up and he's staying on this area. He's staying on this area, and then price is going up. Now, nauntog na naman siya dito sa my resistant area. So we will see if DMC ay mag-stay dito area. So this support. But if hindi siya mag-stay, then he will going back to this major support below. So kung mag-stay siya diyan, it's good for DMCI. If there's a bounce, there's a possibility that he will going back to this line, this resistant area. So if I am the one, I can test buy on this area if there is a bounce, and if in case a break itong support, then I will go exit. So this is only trading. No, we don't know what's the next price action is doing. But kung mag-hold siya diyan, so this is good for DMCI. If not, it will going back again to the major support below. Next one is EGI. EGI fair value is 12.29. So now the price per share is 7.94, and it is recommended for buying below 9.8. So it means the price of EGI now ay mura na po yung presyo niya kasi it is below the fair value. So and it's recommended for buying below 9.8. But before we buy, we need to see first the price action of EGI. So now we can draw an inclined line or inclined support. We'll try to draw. We will connect all the lows. Now, this is the price possible direction of EGI. But ditong area, na-break na niya yung resistant area, itong support. So na-break na ni EGI. So the possible direction for EGI is this location. So ito po yung possible direction, but in case if EGI may break up yung resistant again, and he will stay in this area, this is good for EGI. So there's a possible that he will going back to this resistant above. But for now, we will wait if he will break again this resistant above. If not, wait here in the inclined support area. So hintayin natin dito. Maybe he will retest on this resistant. Dalawang beses po nauntog si, there's a third time nauntog si EGI dito na line. So maybe he will go for retest on this support. So we will see, no? But for now, wait if there is a break of the resistance above. If not, wait in the inclined support or in the horizontal line. Next one is MRSGI. The Metro Retail Store Group. Thank you, Aisa Galvi, for watching. And thank you, Melissa Recipes. Thank you very much for watching. Now let us continue to MRSGI. This is the support line of MRSGI above, resistant line. And the line below, this is the support line of MRSGI. Now, if we see MRSGI, this area, nag-bounce MRSGI, going up. So this is the support area of MRSGI. And then he going back again, and then there is a breakdown of the resistance, and he trying to going up, and then the price is going up down again, and then there is a bounce on this area. So this area now is the support area. So nag-try siya na mag-hit again, then he break it, and he now reaching the resistance above this line. But now again, he's going back below to the uh, support line, no? Which is the resistance before. Now, the possible direction for MRSGI, maybe he will going back, no, to this support line below again. But in case he will come back and break this resistance above, and he will stay on this line, this area. So this is good towards MRSGI. Pero ngayon, hintayin lang muna natin kung ano yung next price action ni MRSGI. Kasi itong resistance going to the support below, it is about 10.42%. So malayo-layo pa yung support dyan. So we need to watch there is a pullback to the support area, or if there is a breakout of the resistance area, and then he will stay on this location. So this is my insight for MRSGI. Next one is SSI. Si SSI, fair value ni SSI ay 2.4. And it is recommended for buying below 1.8. So now the current price of SSI is 1.31. So it is below the buying price. But take note, it is not advisable to buy if you did not see the price action. No? What is the price action? Kung ano po yung sinasabi ng price action. No? So we need to be careful of buying the stock. Even it is below 1.8, but the price action did not show the aggressiveness of the buyer. But for now, if we see SSI, is going up and hit this resistance area. So this is a resistance area for SSI, this area and this area. Now I need to see SSI to stay on this area, going to sideways direction. This is the one I need to see for SSI. Otherwise, if we can break this resistance above and hit this resistance above, this is good. But if ever mauntog si SSI dito na area, which is the resistance area, I need to watch SSI going to this area, going sideways. But in case ma-break po itong support area, the next movement SSI, he will go back to this line, this incline support. So this is the two price action we need to see is for SSI. If we did not break this resistance above, if there is a pullback, I want SSI to stay on this support area. Okay, but if ma-break po itong support area, then this is the next price action to be watched for SSI, this incline support. Okay, so but it's good kung mag-stay si SSI in this area. Next one is Max. Si Max Group, no? Max Group. Thank you for watching Zing Vlog 1 OFW. Thank you very much. Now, Max Group, if we see Max Group on this area, there is a bounce going up. So this area is the support. So we need to take note that this area is the support. So when the price going down again, and this support ay hindi niya na-hold. So the seller is the winner. So the price is going down again to this area. And then the price is trying to recover. And nauntog po siya dito na area again. Kasi yung support, magiging resistant po yan. So nauntog and then bumalik. And then finally last October 20, na-break po ni Max itong resistant area. And now again, he is in the resistant area. So we need to see Max. Kung ma-break na yung resistant, there is a possible direction. Maybe he will hit this line. Aba. Okay? Kung ma-break ni Max, so this is the next target for Max. But in case hindi na ma-break, then we will see Max to this area. Kung mag-pull back siya diyan, we need to watch if there is a bounce on this support area. So take note, if Max break this resistance, this is the possible direction of Max. It's a possible target. But if Max is magre-retrace, then we will see on this support area, this line. So next one is Mega Word. In Mega Word, fair value is 3.7 and it is recommended for buying below 2.9. Now Mega Word is already 3.03. So, and the fair value is 3.7. Now, if you see Mega Word, nagsa-sideway lang po si Mega Word, no? Dito na area, during last March, nag-down po yung price. And then he's trying to recover and nauntog po siya dito. So it means this is the resistant area. And then he's going down and try to hit again this resistant area and then he break it. And this area nauntog na naman siya. So it means this is a resistant area. Now, the price is going down. He need to retest the previous resistance. Now, nag-hold po siya diyan. And this is the fourth time now na nandito yung price pabalik-balik, no? Nagsa-sideway lang po si Mega Word. So now, we need to see Mega Word kung mag-bounce ulit dito sa my support area. So we will watch again kung mag-bounce si Mega Word ulit dyan. Kasi hindi siya nakaangat, no? He's trying to break this resistance again, but malakas po yung selling pressure on this area. So bumalik si Mega Word, then we will see on the support line below. Next one is Phil and Bess. Phil and Bess, Phil and Bess land. Thank you, Jing Black, one OFW. Thank you very much for watching. For Isa and Melissa, recipe, thank you. Now we'll continue to fill in this land. Kung tingnan natin yung price action ni fill in this land, this area, nauntog po siya. So it means this is a resistant area. And then he going up, nauntog na naman. So resistant area. Going down, the support, but hindi niya na-hold and going down. And then this here, FLI is bouncing back to the support area here. So nag-i-stay po si FLI on this area ngayon, no? Now he's trying again to hit this resistance. Now what we'll do for FLI, if we will going back to this line. So we will see kung bumabalik si FLI on this inclined support. So, support po yan, no? Kasi bumalik na untog dito yung presyo and then tumaas. So, this is a support area. Dito yung mga buyers nag-aantay, no? So, we will see kung may pullback dito sa my support area, then this is the time we need to watch again for FLI or there is a breakout of the price. Kasi nandito siya sa may resistant area, no? So if there is a breakout, so the possible direction, it will going up to the previous resistant before this area. So this is the possible direction of FLI if he break this resistance on Tuesday. Kasi sa Monday, wala po tayong trading. So if hindi niya ma-break, then we will wait FLI to going back to this incline support. Next one is VLE. Si Bridge Talan, no? Kung titingnan natin si Bistalan, nag-hold siya dito na area and nauntog po siya dito na area. Okay? So this is the resistant area for BLF. And then, as you know, if this is a resistant area, the seller, this is the area where the seller is waiting. So if you buy shares, please be on the support area always. Kasi nandito po yung mga buyer nag-aantay sa support area. So kaya nga nauntog ang presyo din tumaas ulit. And then the sellers here, and then they will sell their position again. And then the price is going back again down. So we need to see now if will I to this support area again. Kung may bounce dyan. Okay? So if there's a bounce again on this area, then we need to enter BLF. Okay? Ganyan lang po yung technical analysis here in the stock market. We need to buy the shares in the support area because the buyers there. And avoid buying the shares in the resistant area because this area, this is the area where the seller is waiting. So, baka sila lang po yung kumita, din tayo hindi. Kasi sila nagbenta, tayong bumili. But the next day, the price is going back to the support area. So, we need to watch always if the price is going back to the support area. If there's a bounce, then we can enter. If ever the support did not hold, then you can exit because it will go down to another support area below. So yan lang po yung buying shares in the stock market. I have the last one is Globe. Last two. Globe. Si Globe. Globe Telecom. Si Globe Telecom, last March, umangat. And then, nauntog siya dito na area. So, it is a resistant area. So, the seller is here. So, take note, the seller is here. So, kung babalik mo yung presyo dyan, this is the target kasi nandito yung seller. But, hindi bumalik yung presyo, tuloy-tuloy yung down. And then, we put a line last maybe 2 weeks ago. Na-break po ni Globe yung support na ito. It means the winner is the seller. So, pumunta yung price dito. So, nauntog din, nag-bounce. So, this is the support area now. So, what I need to analyze for Globe, I want Globe to break this inclined resistance. Kasi, pag bumalik siya dito, no? Kung bumalik din sa support, and then there is a pullback going up, and then hindi niya ma-break itong incline resistance, then possible direction, the price will going back again to the support. So this is the time we need to be aware kasi itong pattern na ito ay bearish pattern. So there is a possibility that the price will going down again. So what we need to watch for globe, we need globe to break this inclined resistance. Itong nakaharang dito na inclined line. If ma-break niya po yan, so it means there is a good possibility that price will hit this resistance again on this area. But if kung ganyan yung mangyayari na direction, then to avoid globe because there is a possible na ma-breakdown itong support. Kung ganito yung price action niya next trading days. So we will watch globe if we break this incline resistance. The last one is Semirara. Semirara, tumaas na untog, so it means this is a resistant area. Bumaba and then hindi niya na-hold itong support area, then he going back down. So now, Semirara, he break the resistance last October 8, and then he hit another resistance and break it again, and then hit another resistance, and this area, hindi na po niya na-break ang resistance area. So, if ECC na-break po itong line, so possible direction is going up, but bumalik po siya sa baba. So now, we need Semirara to go back to this area. Okay? Dapat bumalik si ECC dito. Kung nandito siya sa support area, maybe he will go like this. Because this is a resistant area. Kung tumuloy siya doon sa taas, so this is good for Semirara. But if mauntong na naman siya diyan, so this is another direction for Semirara. Ganyan po yung mangyayari diyan. Tumataas siya, mauntong ulit, then he will going back to this horizontal line below. So, kung tingnan natin ilang percent lang yan, nasa 8% din. It's okay. May 8% din. But, we will see Semirara going to this line, this area. Kasi kung lagyan natin ng incline support, nandyan po si Semirara, nakapatong sa may incline support. So, but the good for Semirara kung nandito siya na area. This is the area we need to watch Semirara. Okay? So, I hope I learned something about this one. Thank you, Isa Galbi, for BG. No problem for me. Thank you very much for your support. So, before I go, I will shout out to my viewers. So, thank you for your support to my channel. GC Rose Vlog. Thank you, Jilly TV. Long Salabi. Isa Galbi. Thank you very much. Melissa Recipes, thank you. Jane Vlog 1 OFW, thank you. And to my colleague, Engineer Edwin Bilan, thank you. Engineer Eric Romontad and Engineer Edwin Vergara. And to my brothers and sisters, thank you very much for your support. And I hope you learned something about this technical analysis. because it will be one of the foundation, no? If you will invest in the stock market. The, how to determine the support and resistance area. So that's it for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.